See? It can rub. Wow. Can't believe this is powerful. Just only one pad I'm using. So for today's video, I'm going to show you this Brillo PowerPads heavy duty twin pack. So this one is good for direction. Dump the pad, gently rub the desired surface for stubborn stains with the surface and rubbing. It's good for the the kitchen grills. So outdoor oven grills, kitchen, extra large pots, light work, or remove even heaviest grease and grime. So let's throw this one. Let's open this one like that. See, this is my first time. This is my first time I'm using this one. So let's see if this one will work well. So let's try it. So it has two power pads. So let's open it. So it comes from this one, guys. Look at, see, like this. So need to wet this one with water and then scrub this yellow stain in here. So let's see if this one will remove. Now the pad is already, I put water in the pad, it's only damp, I just squeeze it. So let's do this one here. Let's see if this one will work. Oh no, wow. Can you see it, guys? Look at. Oh wow, it can remove everything. I'll show you. So look at, guys, this yellow stain. So it has a soap on it already. So look at. See? It can rub. Wow. Can't believe this is powerful. Just only one pad I'm using. Look at. Wow, I can't believe it can remove the stain in the oven. Wow. So wow, this is really powerful. So I don't put any soap because there's a soap like inside this one. So wow, and it's really cheap. You can put this one anywhere. Wow. Can you see it, guys? There's a yellow stain in here because wow. Wow, nice. I can't believe, guys. Can't believe it's really quick. So you don't need to put soap because there's a soap inside this one. It's already put the soap, so it's worth it, this one. Can't believe, I'm thinking it doesn't work. Look at, guys, I wipe this one with a dry cloth. Wow, see the difference? You can use this one either for the sink. So we need to rub it more. It looks like there's a bleach inside. This is good scorer. Pads. Wow. It works, guys. It really works. Powerful. This is really powerful. Look at the difference. Wow. So I wash this one first because there's loads of yellow stain. So then I do it again. So you don't need to put soap, guys, because this is a soap. There's a soap inside this one. So just rinse it properly because there's loads of yellow stain that comes from here. So that's why. So it is really worth it that I bought this one. It's only 2 pack, but if it is one, you can keep it You can use this one in the sink, kitchen sink. Wow. Can you see the difference before and after? It's powerful, really powerful. Wipe this one. Wipe it. Wow. Can't believe. It's really, wow. Can you see the difference, guys, before and afters? Sorry, before and after. Look, as you can see, wow. So I just wipe it more. Then this one left, I will keep it. I will keep it, this one, for next time. Yeah. Wow. So that's it from now, guys. So just I wipe this one again because it's still really soapy. So I will wipe that again because it's really loads of soap here, like that. See, can you see the difference before? Then this is the after result, guys. That, see, it's really white. Wow, I can't believe this is the really helps me. It's easy and it's really cheap. You don't need to put like liquid dishwasher. So just, wow, I can't believe, guys. So that's it. Can you see the difference? Well, let me show the camera closer. Can you see the difference, guys? That's before. It's a little bit, but as long it can remove. But I will do it because I have two left in here. I have two. One left, then two. The other one I will use this. So yeah, it can help. For really very good quality. So if this is not sponsored product, guys. It's not sponsored product, but I only show you my honest review of this product. I'm not expert for reviewing product, but only I'll do my best for my honest review, so that you're not wasting your money to buy anything that you don't know. I'm your first tester of the product, but this one is really good quality. You see the difference, yeah? Look at. Can you see it? Like. So make it sure you need to dump this one. Dump this one with water. Yeah, there's already the instruction here. So direction first, damp the pad and gently rub the desired surface. For stubborn stains, with the source and rub with dry scoring pad. Rinse off after cleaning. Rinse surface after cleaning. So this one can help for big jobs. So everything from cleaning barbecues and outdoor furniture to ovens, grills, and a kitchen sink. This extra large heavy-duty soap pads make light work of removing even the heaviest grease and grime. So yeah, this really helps for the grease and grime. It is a soup. So it comes with a, it looks like it with a, it looks like there's a bleach here. Comes with a bleach. So yeah, just make it sure you need to rinse this one, guys, because it's soupy. Yeah, rinse it properly.